Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so for today's video I have another plus size try on haul for you guys, and I'm really excited about this one because I am working with a brand new company called Bloomchic. They are this new company that offers affordable, cute and trendy pieces, fast fashions, all the trends, all of that good stuff. They have both straight sizes and plus sizes, so we love that for us. And so they sent your girl some pieces to try out, so I'm super excited to see what they're all about. So here is all the pieces that I got. They sent me 10 different items to try out, and I'm really excited. It's a lot of stuff, y'all. This stuff is what? It's so heavy. So before I try on the clothes, I just want to show you guys the packaging. Everything comes nicely packaged in these little like Ziploc bags, and on the bag it says Bloom on it, since their company is called Bloomchic. So here are the items in the bag, and it just says Bloom on it on the front and on the back. And I love this because if you're traveling or something, you can keep your items actually in the bag and put them in your suitcase, which is perfect because I'm going to be traveling soon, and so I'm definitely going to be using up some of these bags when packing my suitcase. So yeah, so I've done enough talking. Let's get on to the try on. Okay, so here is the first item that I have, and the first thing is this. Oh, okay, this is a jacket. It's this really pretty brown jacket. I got it in a size 3X, and it's almost like a moto jacket, but it's like suede material. So let me get closer to show you guys. It's like this suede material, and it's in this like rusted brown color. So let's go ahead and try this on because this is gonna be perfect for the fall and in the winter. I mean, it's not a winter coat or anything, but if I'm just running from my car to inside, this is good enough for me. So we're gonna try it on. Oh my god, it fits so good. So here's what the jacket looks like. Oh my god, it fits so good. I'm so excited that the size is perfect. It also has zippers on the sleeve so that you can make the sleeve tighter. So I'm gonna zip it up to make it tighter on the bottom. And yeah, you guys, this is what the jacket looks like. It fits perfectly. This is how it fits in the back. It's the perfect length, I think. And we're gonna try zipping it up as well. So let me zip this up. So this is what it looks like zipped up. So I think this is super cute. I absolutely love it. I love the color. Okay, the color is everything, and this is gonna be so cute to add to your outfit in the fall and the winter time. So yeah, here is this jacket. Okay, so here is the next item that we have, and this is a dress. It's a dress, yes. So here is, it's like this ruched dress. So I feel like it looks a little big. It looks a little big, but we're gonna try it on. So let's try it on and see how it fits. All right, you guys, so here is the dress, and I will say that it is slightly too big. I definitely could have gotten a 3X. I would say I'm kind of in between sizes right now. I'm a 2X / a 3X right now. So I did get a 3X and everything just to be on the safe side, but I feel like I could have gotten a 2X in this. I could have sized down. So it does have ruching, and I didn't do the ruching yet. So let me try putting up the ruching and see if it makes a difference. I think this is the furthest the ruching can go. I don't think it can go anymore. And then I guess you would just tie it. Then what do you do with the string after? So yeah, I did do the ruching a little bit, and I'm gonna push you guys back so you guys can see a little bit more. Okay, so I pushed you guys back a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. But yeah, I did do the ruching in the front, and I think it helped a little bit, but the dress is slightly too big, so I definitely could have gotten a size 2X for this. I could have sized down. Plus this is so stretchy, like it has a lot of stretch, but the style of the dress is really cute. You could definitely dress this up or dress it down. This is what the back of the dress looks like. And I really do love the shoulder detailing. I love something that's off the shoulder. I love showing a little bit of shoulder action. So yeah, as much as this dress is a little bit too big, I still think the dress is cute, and I can always get it taken in if I really wanted to. Or what I could do is maybe just tie like a knot at the side or something to make it fit a little bit tighter. I could work with this. I can work with this. I can definitely tie it or remix it in a way that works for me. So I still like the dress. Okay, so moving on to the next piece that we have. Oh, we have a tie or a belt of some sort. So this looks like a top. So we have a really cute beige top, and it also comes with a belt. So let's try her on. All right, you guys, so here is the top on, and y'all, I love this top. It is so pretty, and you guys, the material, like, let me get close for you guys. The material of this is amazing. This is not no cheap quality. Like, this feels like amazing. It's just really nice, thick material. Like, it feels like proper clothing. It feels so good, and this fits perfectly. And I love how the top does not show too much cleavage. Like, I just have to wear a bra, and I don't have to worry about wearing any tank tops or tube tops underneath. It's perfect. I love this, and I love the detailing of the sleeve. I love the asymmetrical hemline because this gives shape. It's not straight across. It's kind of, you know, higher on the sides to give shape. And then the belt just helps to accentuate the waist, and you can tie it however you like. This is what the back of it looks like. And you guys, I love this top. Like, this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It's elegant, it's classy. This can be dressed up or it can be dressed down, and this is just so cute. I love this top. If you accessorize this with like gold jewelry, it's gonna look so cute, especially with a pair of shoes that are the same color as the top and a bag. Girl, this is so cute. I love this. Like, even with the leggings that I have on right now, this is the whole fit. Like, this is cute. I absolutely love this. This top is gorgeous. Definitely 10 out of 10 for me. All right, so moving on, we have our next piece here, and let's see what we have. Y'all, I don't even remember the things that I picked out, so it's almost like brand new, figuring it out. So, oh, I have another dress. This dress has ruching along the sides. It has almost this like tie-dye look. I'm worried it's gonna be a little bit big again. I really don't know my size, but let's try it on and see how it fits. All right, you guys, so here is the dress, and you guys, this dress is really pretty. I love the print. It's different. It's not your typical printed dress, but I really love the print of it, this tie-dye effect. It does have some ruching detailing on the bottom, and I wish it had functional ruching strings, because I would have preferred if the dress was a little bit shorter. I would have preferred if the dress was more at my knees versus like by my ankles, but nonetheless, I really do like how the top fits. I feel like the top of it fits perfectly. Like, I really wouldn't need it to be any tighter than this at the top, but I do feel like the bottom is a little bit on the looser side, so I definitely could have gotten this in a 2X. So now I'm thinking maybe my size really is a 2X and I'm not a 3X. Y'all, I don't know what my size is these days. Some places I order a 2X and it's too small, and then the 3X is perfect, but now I'm getting the 3Xs and they're too big. So anyways, their sizes is definitely true to size, okay? Order your regular size, and if it has stretch, I think it is okay to size down, because, you know, it's big. But I feel like if I were to maybe like tie it on the side, make a little knot, it could be cute. Or if I maybe just take like a hair scrunchie, like if I made some type of knot, I feel like it would be cute, right? I feel like I can make it work. I can make this work. Here's what the back of it looks like. Very pretty, very nice. Obviously I'm not wearing the right bra with it, but you know, it's okay for trying purposes. But yeah, I actually think this is really pretty. I love the print of the dress. It's different and it's giving like sexy vibes, mysterious. Like, I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see. Like, the print is really nice. I love the print. Like, it is so nice. So yeah, I think, to be honest, I would still wear the dress just like this. To be honest, I would still wear it exactly like this. I'm definitely going to be putting this in my suitcase to go on vacation because I think it's cute. It's just nice and classic and simple. The ruching at the sides is nice. If I want to, I could definitely like make a knot or something here at the side, but I would wear it just like this. So this dress gets a 9 out of 10 from me. Okay, so next on the list we have another belt. Okay, this is a dress. Ooh, another dress, and this has like mesh sleeves on it, so let's try this on. All right, you guys, so here is the dress, and oh my god, this dress is so elegant. Like, little black dress meets classy elegant is this dress right here. Okay, I absolutely love it. The mesh sleeves just gives it a little extra va-va-voom factor, and the belt, you could tie it any way you want. I just made a double knot and I just have it hanging, but you guys, I love it. And I love the ruching detailing at the side. Now again, I definitely could have gotten away with the 2X. 2X probably would have fit a little bit tighter, so I definitely could have gotten away with the 2X, but the 3X still fits very, very nicely, and it's very, very flattering. I love it. And again, I love that it's not showing too much cleavage, but there is a little clip here, so if I did want to show some cleavage, I could, but it has a little clip so I could clip it, so you don't have to worry about getting like a safety pin or anything. So I love that, and with the cleavage showing, it just gives it more of a sexy factor. So yeah, and you guys, the material is amazing. It's this thick luxe material. Like, it's giving very luxe vibes. I love the material of it. So yeah, this dress definitely gets a 10 out of 10 from me. And I could tie the belt with an actual bow, so I'm gonna try tying it with a bow to see how it would look. Yeah, I think this is so cute, you guys. I absolutely love this dress. This is perfect for any holiday function. Like, this dress is everything. Here's what the back of it looks like. As you can see, more of the ruching detailing. So yeah, absolutely love this dress. All right, you guys, so here is this dress, and y'all, hands down, this is the perfect size. Okay, this fits me perfectly. Okay, I haven't tied up any of the ruching on it, but you guys, this dress, I love it. Oh my god, I love this dress. I love it, I love it, I love it. This already gets an 11 out of 10 for me because it's everything. First of all, it's off the shoulder. Your girl loves off the shoulder, and I love that the sleeves are long, but you could pull up the string and I guess make a knot, and it'll give that ruching effect. So let me do both of them. I mean, I can't really tie it because it's on my hand, but whatever. And then I don't even have the ruching going on the dresses yet. Like, I just have the dress regular, but if I pull it up a little bit, and I'm gonna put a little tie here and put a little bow. Like, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love this dress. This dress is everything. And y'all can see my bra straps. My bra matches, okay? We love that. But y'all, this dress is everything. Everything. Here's what the back looks like. It is so cute. I love it. Again, the material is so luxe. Like, it's giving luxe vibes. It is so nice. I love it. This dress is everything. Okay, all right, you guys, so here is this gorgeous top, and I love it. Okay, off the shoulder, which is so cute, and the sleeves, like, look at the sleeves. It has this ruching design, but then it's also like flowy. I love it. It is so cute. Here's what the back is looking like. Obviously I'm not wearing the right bra, but you know, it's fine. I think this will be best with like either tape or a strapless bra or no bra. So yeah, but I absolutely love it. This is so cute. It's so flowy, so girly. It still has like a sexy vibe to it. So yeah, I love this top. This top gets an 8 out of 10 from me. All right, so next on the list, we have this. And you guys, y'all, I've been wanting a faux leather pants since forever. And every time I've ordered them, they've never fit. They've always been too tight. And I am praying that this fits me because I want leather pants so bad. These have stretch to it, so I'm hoping that they'll fit. And I actually feel like it'll pair nicely with this top. So let's try on these leather pants. Y'all, I'm just gonna come out and say it. I'm just gonna say it. This is the best plus size try on haul I've ever done, ever. And Bloomchic is my new favorite site to shop from. I said it, this is my new favorite website to shop from. And although they sent me these pieces, which I'm extremely grateful for, thank you so much for partnering with me for this video, Bloomchic. But y'all are gonna be seeing me making orders and spending my coins because your clothes are amazing and the quality is amazing, okay? These pants fit. The pants fit. I finally found a pair of leather pants that fit. And you guys, I love it. Like, it fits really good. Here's what it looks like in the back. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, I finally have a pair of leather pants and it's thanks to Bloomchic, okay? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. We might as well finish the try on haul, but I'm content, okay? Like, I am content. I absolutely love the pants. I would have loved if it fit a little bit more skinny on my ankles. It's giving more of like a boot cut on my ankles and not so much like skinny, but I find that with larger pant size, that's usually just what happens, and that's just with any company off the bat. You'd have to get like a super skinny in order for a big size to fit super skinny on the ankle. So yeah, but I love it. Either way, I love it. I love this. I love this. Okay, so we are at our second last item. We have one more item after this one. And this is a dress. This is a dress with long sleeves. Is it off the shoulder? I can't tell. It looks like it's off the shoulder. And it's a black dress. So let's try her on and see how it goes. All right, you guys. So here is this dress and I love it, okay? This also gets an 11 out of 10 from me because the fit is perfect. Like, this is literally the perfect fit. It's slightly off the shoulder, which you know your girl loves, and it comes with this string at the top, so you could tie it however you want. I decided to make a little crisscross and a little, you know, peek hole here, but of course you could tie it however you want to. But I love this dress. I love the length. It's right at the knee. It's the perfect like midi dress. And this is what the back looks like. And of course, you can make this sexy or you can make this casual. You can throw this on with a pair of Converses and keep it casual, or you could wear a cute pair of heels or sandals with this and dress it up. You guys, I love this dress. Like, this is like the perfect little black dress. Like, I absolutely love it. And I love that the sleeves are long. I love long sleeves. I'd rather the sleeve be too long than too short. And I just love that, you know, they're long. And this is what the back is looking like. I love that we have some back showing. Like, this dress is just giving all types of sexy vibes, okay? 11 out of 10 for me. So we made it to the last item. And I'm kind of sad. Like, this is very bittersweet because this whole haul has been amazing. Like, everything, oh, this material, I don't know what kind of material they be using, but it is so chic. It is so luxe. I love it. So we have a belt. Here is a belt. And then we have this, it's a dress. It's like this cute cargo zipped up dress. So let's try her on and see how she fits. I don't even know where to begin. I don't know where to begin, you guys. This dress is everything, okay? I've never had anything like this before. This dress is giving all the vibes, okay? First of all, the fit is perfect, okay? Perfect fit. And the material, let me tell you guys, I'm gonna zoom in. I don't know what kind of material they be using, you guys, but when I tell you luxe feeling, it's like a luxe suede material. I don't know what kind of material these people are using, but this dress is giving, okay? This dress is everything, okay? This dress is everything. Literally everything, okay? I love it. I absolutely love it. I love that it's a functional zipper. You can open up the zipper, show some cleavage, make it a little bit more sexy, or you can make it more cash, more business ready, and zip it all the way up. You have the collar. The color is everything. It comes with 2 functional pockets, okay? So you can pop your little lip balm or whatever in there. Comes with a belt that can be tied any which way. I decided to just make a bow, but of course you could just double knot it and just let it hang down. That works too. There's a million ways to tie a belt. This dress is everything. It's everything. The length is perfect. It has stretch. I don't feel like I'm stifling. It's everything. I love it. Like, I'm literally blown away with all of these pieces. Like I said before, this is the best try on haul I've ever done. Like, all of these pieces are perfect, okay? All of these pieces are perfect for Thanksgiving. All of these pieces are perfect for any holiday parties. All of these pieces are perfect for Christmas. Like, everything is perfect and everything is giving what it needs to give. So make sure you guys hit that link in my description box. I'm gonna have everything listed down below for you guys, so you guys can go and shop and check them out. The link will be in my description box. Just click it. I also have a link to everything in the description box, as well as the sizes that I got. Everything is gonna be in the description box, okay? So make sure y'all check the description box. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much it for my try on haul. I'm actually kind of sad that it's come to an end because everything was perfect. Like, I loved it. Although some of the pieces fit a little bit big, it can still be worn and it still looks fine. So yeah, I loved all the pieces. Big shout out again to Bloomchic. Y'all gonna be seeing me pop up in your orders, okay? Because I'm going to be ordering stuff. Everything was amazing. Absolutely love them. Like I said in the intro of this video, this is a brand new company that launched at the beginning of 2021. January 2021 they launched, so they are a new company. So make sure you guys go and support them and check them out, because they have perfect pieces that are extremely good quality. Like, this is not no fast fashion material that they're using. This is real luxe material, okay? So make sure you guys go and check them out. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite piece and what you are looking to get from them. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it up here on the screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.